Yan.
Laging tumawa magulan mo. Nakangkamay iraylong ilaw.
Yeah. More. Continue.
Come.
Continue song. We need finish. We need finish the
So
song.
many Filipino watch this video.
Daday mo'y di mo naman agad.
Ah, very nice.
Mas papatipang tulog mo.
Yeah. More.
This is not Zambian, ha? This is Filipino. Yes, very nice.
Song.
Tagalog.
I continue.
Continuous.
Tomorrow, Papa.
Why like this? Why
How
tomorrow?
about other song?
Another song.
Another song.
Yes.
Oh, bakit?
Yeah.
Tanong ko sa'yo. Oh, bakit? Bak na didi.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Puso ko ay sanagaan.
Very good.
Another song.
Oh, say bye to my followers.
Pusong pato.
Puso ba to?
Yes, I know.
Okay, kata.
Kanta.
You also understand?
No.
Kanta, pusong ba to? Pusong ba to? One more.
Pusong pa to.
It's been long since I that song. I did it a long time ago.
Pusong pa to?
Let me sing another. Sabi mo ay ako lamang.
Hey, how about the song of Patangganya? Dito ga. Dito ga.
Wala na.
Nothing. Ano ba? Only pusong pa to. Fred Aguilar and then
Freddy Aguilar, anak Edwin Lobo.
oh. Very nice. Also sing and understand, ha?
Yeah, this song like wait for me.
Yes.
Aking mahal.
Very nice.
Turo pa eh. Turo pa eh.
Magaling nga ba?
Mahusay.
This is for a Zambian guy, okay? Very nice singing Tagalog.
Too much people African in
guys.
Philippines making vlogging.
There are
Vlogging.
many blacks there. In the Philippines.
Too much black Filipino.
Good at,
Now black Filipino.
yeah. You are friendly.
Yes, friendly.
Yeah. You are like a white.
Another song?
Another song?
Yes.
Abakibi ay sadya man ang gaya. Nakatapo, nakatayo, ang kasanya.
Tawa isa.
Ating mga